Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued and More with Tracy. I got a package. So this is going to be the opening from Big Will Dog 82 in the soil. Big Will sent me some Comfrey. I am so excited. Let's get this open and see. Now, I've got to do some research. I know I have to keep it moist until I plant it because I got to find an area, or am I going to put it in a container? I don't know. I gotta do a little research. But let's see what it looks like and see what I'm gonna do thereafter. Okay. Russian bushing 14 Comfrey. I think that's what that says. Russian. Is that bushing? Beating? Beaking? I don't know. Read that for me. What's that second word? B-U-S-H? No, I don't know. Anyway, I'll ask him. And it doesn't, it looks a little, it's still a tiny bit moist. So I'm going to add some more water to this until I figure it out. That's what it looks like. Okay, so it's the roots. Got you. Okay. Or I might get in touch with you, Big Will, to see what to do. But for now, I'm going to add more water to this and keep it in this plastic bag until I figure it out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. And this is going to be exciting. So I'm just going to, like I said, keep it moist and find a spot to put it. I don't know if it's invasive, but I know it gets large. Find a spot to put it, and I'll keep you posted as it grows. Thank you. Hit that like button, please. I appreciate you. Take care of yourself, and we will see you soon. Deuces.